Now, this is not your typical business video na pag-uusapan natin yung marketing strategy mo, paano maglaro ng ads, paano dadami yung leads mo, mga bagay na gasgas na at lagi mo namang naririnig. We will talk about strategies na hindi pinag-uusapan masyado sa social media. Something that only I talk about. And this will give you the edge over the marketplace right now. This is something that will help you not just sustain your business, but expand your business as well. But I'm here to tell you na ito yung ginagawa ko at ito yung focus ko ngayong taon. Because based on trends, based on my experience doing business for more than 18 years, transforming the lives of people in the process, yung tatlong strategies na i-share ko ngayon, ito na yung magiging bagong trend. So it will be all up to you kung susundin mo at maniniwala ka. But I will share with you the top 3 strategies that will transform your business in 2025. And this is something na ako mismo ginagawa ko. At ito rin yung focus ko para makapag-create ako ng momentum this year. So pwede nyo akong sabayan or pwede nyo gayahin yung ginagawa ng ibang tao. Your choice. So let's start with number 1. Serve, don't sell. A lot of people are too focused on selling now, to the point that everyone is a marketer nowadays. Vlogging and being an influencer is the new networking. A lot of people galit sa network marketing kasi scam daw. Pero ano nangyayari ngayon? Ang totoong scam yung pagva-vlog. Gagawa ng mali, maninira ng kapwa, magkakreate ng clout, magkakreate ng issue, mag-aaway kunwari, scripted. Nasisira tuloy yung mindset ng mga audience, nadidistract yung mga audience, hindi tuloy nila makuha yung mga goals nila, and it's not creating value in the marketplace. Pero kumikita sila. And there are influencers selling your programs that they take more than they give. Yun yung problema ngayon sa marketplace. Kasi what's happening is, ang pera ng tao, nakapondo lahat sa marketing, sa branding, to look good, for fame. So hindi na ngayon nila nakikita yung quality. Ang nakikita na lang ng tao ngayon kung sino yung sikat. Kaya lang, since yan yung currency para sa ibang tao, everyone is going sideways. Lahat gustong sumikat, lahat gustong maging influencer, to the point na ang daming nagbibigay ng business tips nang wala namang negosyo. Ang daming nagpapanggap para lang sumikat. At pag hindi nag-work, maninira na lang ng kapwa. So napaka-toxic na ng social media world ngayon. And almost everyone is running ads. Nothing wrong with that. The problem is, ang pondo ng mga tao nasa client acquisition, wala sa produkto, wala sa service. So ngayon, ang produkto, pababa na ng pababa ang quality. Puro usapang KPIs, puro usapang conversion rate, puro usapang nag-run ako ng ads, kumita ako ng X amount of millions of money. How about mga buhay na nag-transform? How about quality service, quality products? Unti-unti na siyang nawawala. So what will happen is, my prediction, and this is called the power of anticipation, if you can anticipate the trend, you will win this year. At ako, sure ako, what will happen is, marirealize ng tao yan, na parang bumababa yung quality ng mga products and services. And little by little, people will lean towards quality. Kasi masyado na silang bugbog sa bentahan at marketing. Now, tandaan nyo, value equals money. And value is being able to solve problems. Always remember that business is not about money, it is about value. And value is being able to solve problems. So when it comes to strategies, the value lies within the work done to prove the strategy. So the amount of money you spend on ads, marketing, or maybe you are investing money to look good, it doesn't make the service more valuable. Yung ads and marketing, it gives you the eyeballs, okay? It provides you with attention. Gumagastos ka sa ads and marketing para makita ka ng mga tao. Pero kahit makita ka ng maraming tao, kung wala namang kwenta, wala namang value yung produkto mo, hindi rin sila tatagal sa'yo. So wala kang aftermarket sales, wala kang sustainability, and that will lead to failure. Because the marketplace right now is getting smarter and smarter every day. Ang tao ngayon mas tumatalino na. So kung gusto mo maging successful sa business ngayong taon, if you want to be unstoppable this year, and if you want to have the edge, let's all focus on serving people. Let's focus on building better products, building better services. Let's focus on working really hard, spending the time and energy to make sure na yung sinasabi natin, tinuturo natin, binibigay nating serbisyo at produkto sa mga customers natin, totoong makakapag-transform ng buhay nila. Don't get me wrong, hindi ko sinabing huwag ka nang maglaan ng pera sa branding mo, sa marketing mo, sa ads mo. Mahalaga pa rin yung client acquisition. Ang sinasabi ko, mas mahalaga yung service. Mas mahalaga yung quality ng produkto. For example, sa mga courses, personal development courses, the value is in the work. And work is equal to volume multiplied by time. Ibig sabihin, yung daming beses ginawa yung strategy, yung daming beses na natry yung tools and frameworks, at yung amount of time na ginamit siya paulit-ulit. Yung time na ginugol para i-apply yung framework, that's the work. That's the value. So imagine, Success Blueprint na lang as an example. It's 18 years of my experience. Ano yung nakita kong patterns and programs ng mga tao? Bakit sila na-stuck? Bakit paulit-ulit yung nangyayari sa kanila? Kahit nagtitake naman sila ng action. Kahit ginagawa naman nila yung best nila. Bakit hindi nila makuha yung resultang gusto nila? Na-discover ko kasi wala silang blueprint. At hindi alam ng marami paano gumawa ng blueprint. So if they don't know who they are, they don't know what to do. So wala ring purpose. If that's the case, walang alignment. Sa pag misalign yung utak at puso mo, hindi ka okay lagi. Hindi maganda yung state mo. Pag hindi maganda state mo, you will procrastinate. You will have doubts and fears. And because of that, negative results, magpapaikot-ikot yan, you will be stuck. Imagine I'm investing money and time to go to Australia, to Florida, just to learn from Tony Robbins so that I can bring it back to you guys. Up until now, we are not running ads for Success Blueprint. I'm spending time, money, energy to serve my students. By the time you are watching this video, kakatapos lang ng 7-day challenge. And most probably, kakatapos lang din ng mastermind namin around the challenge because my goal is to serve my students. And I'm uploading this video to serve you as well. Because again, the perfect strategy this year will be to serve, don't sell. Another example, I have one program exclusive for the Success Blueprint community. It's called Self and Sales Mastery. It's an advanced program na yung self-mastery, pinagsamang Unleash the Power Within and Date with Destiny by Tony Robbins. Yung Sales Mastery, using the same psychology to sell the products, to sell the services, to fulfill the needs of the client. So nandun na rin yung CRMs, nandun na lahat kompleto na. At para mas maging powerful, nilagyan ko pa yan ng Art of Persuasion and Straight Line System na natutunan ko kay Jordan Belfort himself, the Wolf of Wall Street. So imagine guys, 2 years ago, meron akong tinuruan ng Self and Sales Mastery. They were a small team in real estate. Pero guys, 2024, they are able to produce 747 million sales. Top 1 sila ng kumpanya nila using the framework, strategies, and tools. That's what I mean when I say work. Subok na. Mahabang panahon yung ginugol and volume. Ako mismo ina-apply ko sa mga tinuturo ko, ina-apply din ng mga tinuturuan ko. And it's creating massive results now. And you may ask, Sir MJ, bakit hindi mo masyadong pinupush? Effective pala siya. So right now, ang focus ko is to simply serve people. So I'm creating this video to serve you. Kasi pwedeng solohin ko tong information na to eh. Pwedeng ituro ko lang to sa mga students ko. Kasi alam ko naman na hindi ka makikinig eh. Hindi naman talaga lahat ng audience nakikinig. Ang gusto kasi ng iba, yung maganda tingnan, yung astig. People always wanna look good. If you wanna go that way, feel free to do so. But if you want to separate yourself from these people na puro pa pogi, puro pa cute, let's serve the marketplace. Samahan niyo ako, pagtulong-tulungan natin, i-transform ang Pilipinas, i-transform ang mundo, i-transform ang business world. Because if you can serve your people, if you can serve your customers very well, you don't need to run ads. The business will market itself. And that's a promise. So again, serve, don't sell. Number 2, vision, talk, and proof. Ano ibig sabihin? You have to have your grandest vision. And I'm not talking about your personal vision. Mahalaga yun ha, don't get me wrong. Mahalaga yung personal vision mo for yourself, for your family, yung personal goals mo, mahalaga yun. But when it comes to strategy in business, I'm talking about your vision for your customers, your vision for your business. Saan ba papunta yung negosyo mo? Para alam ng team mo na kung nagsaserve sila with you, alam nila kung saan din sila papunta. Alam ng team mo, ng organization mo, ng executives mo, ng employees mo kung saan sila papunta, kung ano yung magiging future nila. Because again, ano yung strategy number 1? Serve, don't sell. That means yung buong organization mo nakafocus sa service. How can these people focus on serving? If you are not serving them, that's one. At kung hindi nila alam saan sila papunta. So kailangan malinaw yung vision mo for your team, for your business. Next is in connection with your vision for your business. Ano yung vision mo para sa customers mo? Pag naging loyal customer sila, saan sila papunta? And talk means talk about it. Share it with people. Now, papasok na naman dito yung idea na work in silence, wag mong sabihin yung plano mo sa ibang tao. I'm here to tell you guys, that's bullshit. If you wanna work silently, I respect that. Pero may mga tao na gusto nilang i-share yung vision nila. Let's respect them as well. Kasi tandaan mo, yung plano mo, walang pakialam yung ibang tao dyan. Sariling plano nga nila, hindi nila maayos eh. Papakialaman pa ba nila plano mo? Tapos sasabihin ng iba, sir, yung energy. Baka kontrahin ng iba. Una, sino ka para kontrahin nila? So ano yun, sa tingin mo, yung mga tao dito sa Earth, mga Pilipino, maglalaan ng time sa'yo para tusukin yung labubo nila at kulamin ka para hindi mo makuha yung goals mo? Doesn't work that way. Maapektuhan lang yung vision mo kung papayag kang magpaapekto sa sasabihin ng ibang tao. Pero sharing your vision will serve as an accountability. You will be accountable. Malakas ang loob mong magsalita kasi sure ka na makukuha mo. And you are willing to do whatever it takes. It's because if you are too scared to talk about your vision for your team, for your business, for your customers, sinong maniniwala sa'yo? So after talking about it, you prove it. Vision, talk, and proof. One major example of this strategy will be my vlog number 57. Feel free to watch it, guys. Alam niyo ba dun sa video na yon? Sobrang stress ko. May sakit ako nun, paus ako nun. Gumawa ako ng unfiltered and edited video. It's just me in the car, walang cut, walang edit. In-upload ko yung raw video. Yung tipong bagsak na bagsak ako sa lahat ng aspects ng buhay ko, guys. Imagine that. There's something in me na sobrang naniniwalang makukuha ko yung goals ko. Yung feeling na sobrang secured ako. Yung feeling na sure ako makakarating ako doon kahit ang bigat ng pinagdadaanan ko. And for me, that's extremely powerful. Kaya naisipan kong gumawa ng video. Naaalala ko, sabi ko doon, time will come, magkakaroon ako ng mga webinars, paid webinars. Yung team ko sa isa kong company, magkakaroon ng mga kotse, makakapag-create ako ng millionaires, makakapag-transform ako ng buhay ng mga tao. Tapos magkakaroon ako ng mga speaking engagement, may invite ako ng iba't ibang companies, magtotoo ako sa iba't ibang lugar. Guys, nangyari na lahat. Nangyari na. So that vision, I talked about it, I have a video about it, so I have proof. And that's what I'm doing right now. If you are watching my videos, you will notice I talk about Success Blueprint most of the time. Kasi I firmly believe that Success Blueprint is the best transformational course available today. And soon, we will have an international market around it. Abangan nyo lang, guys. Sa Success Blueprint, we are creating massive results at parami ng parami ang transformation. Sir MJ, bakit sure na sure ka? Una, na-test ko na yung framework. Ginagawa ko pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Ina-apply ko pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Pangalawa, naituro ko na siya dati pa at nag-work din sa kanila. Pangatlo, nirefine ko yung knowledge, curated knowledge, in a form of video para pwede sa inyong lahat kahit nasa iba't ibang bansa kayo. At pwede kahit nasa ang industriya ka. And we have proof. At ang nagbibigay ng confidence sa akin, is sure ako na whatever it takes, I will serve my students. Alam nila yan. Alam nila na naglalaan ako ng time sa GCs, sumasagot ako sa mga questions. Sa totoo lang guys, sobrang dami naming campaigns to help the students. Pero wala kaming masyadong marketing campaigns. Because our goal is to serve you. And that will make Success Blueprint the best transformational course. Time will come, you will experience the pinnacle of personal development, transformational courses, and events. We will conduct the best face-to-face events. Harapan yung transformation. On the spot yung transformation. Time will come, maririnig nyo, sobrang daming tao pinag-uusapan Success Blueprint. Nagbago buhay nila, nagkaresulta sila, hindi na sila stuck. Nag-expand yung career nila, nag-expand yung business nila. At sure akong mangyayari yan. Kasi ngayon pa lang, tinatrabaho ko na yan. Ngayon pa lang, I'm doing whatever it takes to help my students. And in just 7 days, with the 7 master steps, may mga nag-transform na. May nagbago agad yung buhay. So imagine what we can accomplish in 1 year. Malalaman mo lang yan when you become part of my community. Again, your choice. Number 3, who, what, why. You have to know exactly who you are, what you do, and why. Your purpose. The main reason why your business is not working, or maybe it's working a little bit, pero hindi ka fulfilled, kasi what you do is not connected to who you are. So ang nangyayari, meron kang nakreate na image as a businessman, pero iba ka sa personal na buhay. And that's what's happening in social media. Maraming influencers sa sobrang scripted na mga sinasabi nila, pag na-meet mo sila in person, hindi naman ganun eh. Iba yung ugali. walang masyadong knowledge. Hindi talaga nagwo-work yung business. It doesn't have to be really big, taking big action and stuff like that. You just have to be true to who you are. Kailangan mo lang maging honest. Kailangan mo maging authentic. Sino ka talaga? So what we want is for you to connect the who to what you do. So pag connected na yung who sa ginagawa mo, at connected din yung purpose mo, the intersection in the middle will produce abundance in your life. Yan yung magiging dahilan bakit marami kang magiging customers this year. Yan din yung magiging dahilan bakit magstay at magiging loyal yung customers mo sa'yo. Alam nyo ba guys, way back, for 15 years, I've been producing value for free. So hindi ako sanay na may bayad. And most probably, sa marketplace ngayon, may mga nakiklaim na uma-attend ako ng seminars nila, right? But the truth is, uma-attend ako ng mga seminars here in the Philippines not to learn from them, but to learn about the pricing. Kasi nagugulat ako na yung binibigay ko ng libre, pinapabayaran nila sa mga 3-day seminar nila. So hindi ko ngayon alam kung paano pepresyohan yung coaching. Now, bakit napunta sa may presyo yung coaching? Ito na. So way back, all I want is to create massive value. As in, bigay lang talaga ako ng bigay libre. Kaya lang, walang transformation pag walang commitment. And I learned that when people pay, they pay attention. So nagkaroon kami ng first paid webinar called Awaken the Power Within. So lumang office, basic setup pa kami. Pero si MJ Lopez kasi bigyan mo lang ng papel at marker, okay na. So ang dami nag-enroll, ang dami nag-join. Sobrang grabe yung result, sobrang saya nila. Pero napansin ko na hindi lahat naging consistent after the program. Pwedeng marami silang natutunan during the program, pero mas mahalaga kasi yung post-webinar. Anong nangyari sa kanila? Para sa akin kasi hindi mahalaga yung perang pumasok eh. Ang mahalaga sa akin, ano yung nagbago sa buhay ng mga customers, ng mga students. Tapos nagkaroon ako ng insights, MJ, what if doblehin mo yung presyo? So from 2,500, ginawa akong 5,000 yung webinar. It's actually a 3-day webinar, guys. Ang tagal nun. 8 to 12 hours yung per day. Alam nyo naman ako, I always wanna over-deliver. And this was during the pandemic. So alam nyo ba guys, nung dinoble ko yung presyo, 80% sa kanila nag-move forward. 80% sa kanila sinunod yung program. It's actually the same information, mas mahal lang yung binayad ng tao. So na-realize ko na pag mas malaki yung binayad pala ng tao, mas committed sila. Kasi hindi nila sasayangin yung binayad nila eh. So the value you get depends on how much you value it. Nakakataon lang na quantifiable sa atin yung perang binayad natin. So ito na, gumawa ako ng program na Self and Sales Mastery na mas mahal. Ito na ngayon nag-produce ng 747 million sales in 1 year. And mind you, 7 lang sa sales team nila yung minentor ko. And yung founder nila guys, in-sponsoran niya yung team. And because of that, since walang nilabas na pera yung team, kalahati lang yung nag-push through. Kalahati lang yung nagtuloy. Pero just imagine, 3 to 4 people lang yung may knowledge ng Self and Sales Mastery, tapos pinapasa lang nila sa team nila to sa mga bago. Imagine 747 million sales. So during those times, ang focus ko talaga is to help people. Ngayon, ito na. Sumisikat na ako sa social media. Na-invite na ako sa mga podcast. Napasama na ako sa community ng mga marketers. Dumating sa point na lagi ko silang kakwentuhan, kausap. Syempre, I have to build relationship, the of association, di ba? Kaya lang, when it comes to live webinars, seminars, especially free seminars, these people are always holding me back. Pag magla-live coaching ako, magla-live process ako, hino-hold back nila ako, MJ, wag mong ibigay lahat. Kasi dapat may bayad na yan. So balikan natin, who I am, I'm focused on serving people. They are focused on marketing. So merong disconnect. So anong nangyari, unti-unting nasira yung mindset ko. Na nagkaroon na ako ng mindset na oo nga no, so yung webinars nila, tinuturo ko lang ng libre sa podcast. Hanggang sa nagkaroon na ng mga collaborations. But eventually, I discovered that these people doesn't have the integrity. Ako personally, if you don't have integrity when it comes to money, when it comes to keeping your word, kung sinungaling ka, hindi ka talaga totoo sa salita mo, I will not work with you anymore. So I started rebuilding myself again. Kasi nga dumating sa point na, what if I can market? What if I'm focused on sales and marketing and stuff like that? Kasi nga, sila yung lagi mong kasama eh. But who I am is a big transformational coach. All I want is to serve people. So ito ginawa ko. Nag-hire na lang ako ng tao na in charge sa marketing ko, sa pag-create ng funnel, sa sales. And ang focus ko ngayon is to simply serve the students. Ang focus ko ngayon is to create value. Because that's who I am. That is why right now, this year, I feel unstoppable already. Nagsisimula pa lang yung taon, I feel unstoppable. Kasi I'm aligned with who I really am. I wanna serve, I wanna help people. I want to transform the lives of people. I want to create abundance to the lives of people. Kakasimula pa lang ng taon, nangyayari na. Ang dami ng transformation sa Success Blueprint. So that's who I am. So what do I do? I create videos like this. We create massive value. And I serve my customers, my team, my leaders, and my students the best way I can. Because that's my purpose. So yung who, what, and why, connected siya. That is why ako hindi nauubusan ng energy. Imagine nyo guys, from Saturday event ko, wala pa akong tulog. Sunday night na ngayon. Pero mag-gym pa ako mamaya. Tapos mag-vlog pa ako for the 7-day challenge in Success Blueprint. Tapos tomorrow, magdadrive pa ako. Bakit di ka nauubusan ng energy? Because I'm aligned with who I am. Aligned yung utak, puso at katawan. Yan yung isa sa matututunan nyo sa Success Blueprint. Alam nyo ba guys, if you know exactly what you want, who you want to become, and why you are doing it, kahit nasa ang field ka, magiging successful ka. Alam mo yung gagawin mo. At pag alam na alam mo, malinaw sa'yo yung structure ng gagawin mo, at ginagawa mo na siya every single day, you will build a better self-image. Pag nagbago yung self-image mo, yung identity mo, automatic yung actions and behaviors mo, which will create the results. Sustainable results. And that's what we want this year. So again, kung ang focus mo talaga pera, kasi alam naman natin, balik tayo sa number 1, most people can't serve. Kasi baka mamaya nagtayo ka ng negosyo para sa pera. Tapos pag nag-struggle yung negosyo mo, ang problema mo na lang is paano mo isosolve yung sarili mong problema. Yung problema ng negosyo mo. So, hindi ka na makapag-serve ngayon. So, bahala ka. Kung gusto mo talagang kumita ng pera, tas naniniwala ka na makukuha mo siya sa ads, sa marketing, bobombahin mo ng marketing kahit hindi maganda produkto mo, babanat ka ng babanat kahit wala kang personal growth, maghahanap ka pa ng bagong strategies kahit paulit-ulit mo na siyang nagawa. Alam mo naman sa sarili mo na kailangan mong mag-grow muna as a person. Ikaw ang bahala, ikaw ang magde-decide. Choice mo yan, buhay mo yan. But what if what you need is a better community focused on what I'm teaching right now? What if what you need is a proven mentor who will teach you how to serve people, who will help you build the blueprint knowing exactly who you are? It's because if you don't know who you are, if you don't know what you want, if you don't have a success blueprint, then what are you doing? So what if? Just what if? Natry mo na naman yung ads eh. Natry mo na naman yung marketing eh. Natry mo na naman magbenta eh. What if ngayon taon, try mo naman yung sinasabi ko? Try mo mag-focus sa pagsaserve sa mga tao. Try mo mag-focus sa pag-i-improve ng products mo. Try mo mag-focus ng energy mo, resources mo, sa improvement ng services mo. And maybe, just maybe, all you need is a success blueprint. What if all you need is to transform who you are para mag-transform din yung negosyo mo? Who knows? Pero malalaman lang natin yan kung susubukan mo. What if, subukan mong piliin yung sarili mo ngayong taon? Subukan mo munang mag-build ng blueprint. Subukan mo muna yung 3 strategy na share ko sa video na to. And let's all be unstoppable this year. So yun lang guys, this is the end of the video. And always remember that all I want is for you to become more successful and for you to reach the next level success. Yun lang guys, again, my name is MJ Lopez and see you soon.